Mobile journalism, the mojo, the empowering individuals storytelling. Lectured by Rajiv Kumar, Associate Professor at iJones, Noida. What is mobile journalism? Mobile journalism can be defined as this process of gathering, delivering the news using the smartphone or tablets. It is a trend in news covering and broadcasting and has the potential to become a news standard in the journalism practice, especially to report breaking news. Advantage of the mobile journalism: it's like the money matters, the lower cost. The mobile journalism saved money. A good state of art mobile journalism kit cost less than $1,000. Also, you don't need a large crew and you can make the saving on the production cost. Mobility. The large crew and heavy equipment are no longer needed to report on a story. The journalist with a smartphone can be quicker and can report risk during the breaking news situation. Increase the mobility. Also, also allow the journalist to access place previously inaccessible, either due to the ban on the journalism or natural disaster. And safety. Safety is the important for the mobile journalism. The safety of the journalist is enhanced. The using the smartphone instead of the big or heavy reporting equipment allow them to be less noticeable and the better able to blend with the crowd. 4K quality. The newest generations of the iPhone is starting with this stuff. Starting with the phone 6s allow you to shoot, edit, and upload the 4K video. The mobile journalism is no longer bound by limited quality, while the most TV news cameras and editing systems are still HD. The mobile device provide 4K quality. It is the cheapest and best way this produce this 4K quality. The 4K quality is the most of the channels, news channels, not gone to this the 4K qualities. Only this some channels of the India and some of this world. Live streams. A smartphone can broadcast live in the simpler and less expensive way than the traditional equipment. Like traditional equipment, what is the traditional equipment? Just like you can say this OB-WAN, DSNG, the live view, the other mediums of this traditional equipments. There were the telecast for the telecasting, but a smartphone can broadcast live in the simpler and less expensive way. The live stream apps have made the process easy. Reaching the real-time audience is a key consideration for the newsroom, as is the ability of measure content performance and through the real-time static. Live streaming through the social platform allow the journalist to engage with the audience while the broadcasting. Choose the right app based on your broadcasting need, target audience, and technical cost among the other criteria. The live is the very simplest. And the last but not least, the make the job efficient. This mobile journalism can transmit directly to this the newsroom, and it one click, and the newsroom has the full news story delivered by email or this shared through the cloud. Also, it is the right training. The journalist can be their the own camera, editor, and designers. The single people's this it's make this efficient for this one man. So you can say the news production experience scrap answers the journalism the 5 W's, and with this the 5-point story plan. It from may first edit map I number the arc step on my plan, note the element I record, my re-interview questions, actuality and B-roll against certain story point. This indicates the what media I have sought, what missing, and how it might best be used in the edit. It is so simple. They again see this what kinds of journalisms to use, how it is used the 5W1H. So it is the Mojo news production tips. They make their story plan earlier in this production cycle and well before they being this editing, concentrate on the scrap story development tools used at the research stage. Just one, you can see a story. What is it? Why am I telling it? And who is the audience? What, why, and who? The planning stage, the story is the planning stage. The production stage, conventional production stage are 3 types of production stage. This the pre-production, production, and post-productions. It means this pre-production is the planning. So it can be possible through the mobile your this conventional journalism production procedures. The story, the what is it, why am I telling it, and who is the audience. Such the next one is this the character, who are the yes, the story, what is it, why I am telling it, and who is the audience. Like that, this conventional journalism is also the similar way of it can be possible to this through the mobile or mobile journalism. It can it is not a heavy equipment, just you have to buy this the good equipment of the mobile, good equipment mobile, yeah, good Android mobiles, yeah, you can say different kinds of mobile. So mobile journalism is the production parts is the 3 parts of this production conventional journalism. They based on that the production's procedures, such as the story, the pre-planning, pre-production, production, or post-productions. The pre-production is the planning. The part of this story is the pre-planning, how to collect the story, how to make the story, and after that character, who are this interviewee and how will I use them in the edit. And this next one is the resolution. What is this structures and where it will take the story. And actuality, what actuality will I record and what other elements will I need to be edit. And this last one, the production, what are the logistic for the filming and the edit. It is this 5 process, you can say this whole production procedures are this the possible to the mobile. And Mozo, what kinds of mobile journalism to use the hardwares to enhance the quality and advance the mobile journalism experience. The mobile journalist can use the hardware added on and adapt this the basic mobile journalism kit to be the cutting edge setup tailored for any septic needs. This the gearing up a smartphone, the basics, the gear, grip, tripod, hand handle, rig, cell sticks, the microphones and headphones, the power bank and memory. The 4 on 5's hardwares are the important for this the mobile hardwares. The grip, what is the why it is the gripping they use for the mobile journalism? And gripping is important because your visuals are not shaking. It is stabilize your this shaking video through this the grippers, just like this. It is the grippers is gimbals or hand handles, the handheld equipment fixed to the mobile, where fixed to the mobile. And the tripod, it is also the static videos taken by this the mobile. This through this selfie sticks, you can use the selfie sticks. So this you can use the selfie sticks, tripods and handheld rigs. The microphones, what is the use of the microphones? Better quality of sounds to capture through the mobile. And the headphones here to this sound and audio is going to the record in the mobile. It is a good quality. This just like this the big camera and big productions procedures to utilize use in the big production procedures. So just as the mobile, it can be possible to the mobile journalism. Mobile, this power bank, it is necessary to carry with when you gone to this the remote area where there is no any utility or this power to recharge to charge your the mobile. So the power bank, carry with the power bank. So if the mobile is going to be the off or going to be the process of going to be the off, so power bank give the energy to the battery. And the memory sticks, is this the so many story captures in this particular area, so this required this more memory from the phones. This good quality phones or good quality memory, good power, good banking memory is required for the mobile journalism. Also, that's the more story captured at that time. And you can say this more hardware is required for the particular, if you are going to be the shoot in night or the dark area, so camera light is required. So the mobile camera lights are essential for the essential hardware for the at the time of the night shootings. The best night capturing of the news, the best in the class hand handles. It is stabilizers. It is the mobile stabilizers. Lenses, the good quality of lenses is required. The 3 more 4 5 lenses are used in the big camera. So it can also use in the mobile through this the lens, wide angle lens, you can use this telephotic lens, you can use this the normal lens, it is a fisheye angle lens. So many lenses are used, as well as the big camera, conventional camera, to the mobile also. Windshield bundles. Windshield is the required for this to protect the good quality of audio recordings. So the windshield is the which is the good support the good quality audio productions uh, in the through the windshields. And the so many apps, the tens of thousands of the apps are available for downloads. The many of them are the useful for the mobile journalism, and from the app that allow you to look up the sport static and turn the smartphone into the police radio scanners, to others that transform the smartphone into the media hubs. So it is so easy to transmit to through the mobile, that transmit to the mobile this record, to mobile this the battery support, to this storing capacity, the good audio qualities can be produced. That this is the mobile quality. As the smartphones, it is today the smartphone is it is possible each and everything's as well as this conventional camera. Just the mobile technology, the apps, the shooting, it is the photo shooting and editing. The camera plus Adobe Photospace and Snapseed. The photo shoot and editing, it can be possible through these apps. And the video recording, how it is possible? The video recording, two type of video: Filmic Pro and the Cinema FV5. The video recording apps is available in the Google Play, so you can download it and start the filmings. And the audio recording and editing. Audio recording apps is Voice Recorder Pro, and second ones is the PCM recorders. So audio recording and editing, it is used for this voice recording, audio recording, just as the radio and other than this voiceovers things. It is Audible's Voice Recorder Pro. It is helpful for this the editing and the recording procedures. And the live streaming, the Periscope. Periscope is this live equipment through the mobile. You can send your data, you send the informations to the newsroom, and they very compatible or directly broadcast to the on air for the channels. The upstreaming Ustreams is also the same app for the live streamings, and the Boosters, it is also the live streaming apps. Through this the possible to the live streamings. Miscellaneous, the many kinds of the mediums to store and the broadcast, just like the Dropbox. You can use the Dropbox, Jam Snaps, video guides, hyperlapse, Instagram, Pages, Grips, Google Voice, or Evernote. It is miscellaneous equipment or apps, so where you can store and send this informations through the uh, mediums. A required skill for the Mojo is what? The learn to plan a mobile produced story. This applies to live streaming too. The learn to shoot and edit video package in the field with a smartphone, and this involves among other skills. Adapt to multi-platform medium and different screens and be able to produce tailored content for each one of them, and have mindset of the adapting to this to and embarrassing the fast changing mobile technology environments. And what's the workflow through the Mojo? The planning. Planning, what kinds of planning? Story planning and different what story you have to plan. The news gathering, different kinds of the news gathering involvements, and the shooting scripts, editing, the share, the publishing and broadcastings. It is this more flow. So it is also based on the productions procedures. The mobile can be possible to this the pre, pro and post productions through the single mobile equipments. The planning, you can plan before the going to be shoot, and the news gathered. So you can you can verify viral datas and informations. If your informations come to you, and you can information can be verified through the app, the news gathering app. Shooting, start the shooting, and according to the shootings, according to the visuals, you write down the scripts, and after the scriptings, they're going to be the voiceovers, and the editing process of editing will be the start. And share and publish our broadcast. You can share the video through this digital medium, digital platform, the social platforms, and this television broadcasting systems. It can be possible to produce or broadcast at a time some apps, using some apps by the mobiles. It is possible to the story to flow the workflow in this way through the mobile. The mobile is very useful for us. So the single mobile you can make a journalist. You can make this informations to given this very fast, very accurate, the very without any delaying the informations to the going to be the on airs. So it is the workflow of this. Thank you watching and patiently hearing, listening me, you're listening. So thanks once again, and right back to you. Okay, thank you. Thanks.